Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Nabon Women's College, Henekasngi kala Rakhe yaga Jingdap Snem, Jongka College. Hakaba uba ala kemen rimboy menteri katanat puli puthi, ulalong ukongsan, bat uba adal bat nongrum, MLA kanot shilong kum usimbot kongsan. Habakren hakanekasngi nakalyang uba adal bat, ula kentu yaki samla puli, ban penlet jengmut hakapuli puthi bat bantre shitam. Ula penpau ya ke jing sngongo ya ke Nabon College, kabla ai jing syakri syaki samla puli, kibawan na kilong ying kibaduna hakayo kokon. Nakalyang uba la kemen remboy, habakren hakane kesngi, ula pertu ya ke Synod sepngi, kabla pai kemat bat seng ya ke Nika College, ban ai jing hikai ya ke samla kentei. Ula kenturu ya ke samla puli ban treshitam, bat ban om aptang hakikam sorkar, henrei ban tre ya kinu ki kamru. Kakam sorkar kam day tang maka kaban ay kam ay jam, yaki, henry kiway ru kiday kikam. Ula ongru bangi juyo i bangi kamburam, yaki briw ki batray kam sorkar. Bat ngim ju ay jingyaro, yaki briw ki batray yaki kam lajong. Ngiday ban perkat thamay bat ban ay jingyaro, yaki briw ki ba mi syakman, ban seng kam seng jam.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, I release this solemnity as an important landmark in the journey of the Nabon Women Synod College. May God richly bless this project as we have conceived in the spirit of service to a society at large.
I'm so proud of our leaders at that point of time. British at the time, they gave a choice by asking, what do you want us to do before we leave you? And our respected leaders at that point of time, they answer that just leave us as you found us. Because of that history, we are living today, and we are today as we are. Because of those leaders. Therefore, it is our duty to follow their footsteps, not to compromise with the cause of the future generation. Even though we know the fact that the past belongs to the present, but we do not belong to the past. We are the framers of the future generation. But we do not belong to the future. Thank you so much for this very wonderful day. Surely it will remain in our memories. In the past 25 years since its inception, it is indeed a matter of satisfaction that Nabon College has successfully striven for the empowerment of young women for the last 25 years. I also believe the influence of the teachers can never be erased. As respected Madam Professor RNK Huru had rightly said, by reminding all those well-known women who had bring the glory for the state and for the nation. If they can do, why not you? We are so proud to be in the society that without an act, without bringing an enactment, an act law to our beloved woman, we are already empowered them from our own household. As therefore, all around or all across, they are looking and are very regretful for our beloved state. So I won't take much of a time.
I'm very happy that the Synod, in its endeavor to uplift the society, that has taken these steps to conceive and implement the ideas to uplift women. Professor R.N.K. Huru has already spoken about education of women. Women is an integral part of the society, and women play a very important role in uplifting of the nation. So it is indeed very important that this institution is there to teach education, to teach the morality, and more importantly, how you young student could stand on your good feet. From the history, from the speech of the principal, we know that in these many years, the college has produced many luminaries who are successful in the different sphere of life. Now, it is up to us, the student of this society, of this college, and the society as a whole. We have seen that we believe education is only to get a common employment. We know education, and we as a society, we respect only the people who are in the helm of affairs or who are in the common service. This has brought about the sometimes the hopelessness in the mind of the young generation, where we have seen just last week, we have completing in this eastern region the physical test for recruitment of police, which in Western Range is still continuing, where for the post of about 1,000, but 1 lakh plus application we are getting. Where those 99,000 plus will go. The real education is how to invent yourself. The real education, how to know yourself. Sometimes we are just flowing, but we don't know where we will reach. We forget to know who am I. We forget to know, to learn what is the gift of God in me. I used to say, the knowledge we get from schools and the gift, the wisdom which God has given us, combined together, we will shape something which is in us. But in pursuing knowledge, in pursuing education, we forget what is the wisdom which God has given us. This led many ways of talent, many vestige of ideas, and all those ideas which are in you is being cocooned inside because you could not. You are afraid to reveal them. You are afraid to share it. So the time has come to realize who are you. And the time has come for the society. We never recognize a successful businessman. We recognize more a government officer. We recognize more for MLA or minister. But we never give importance to the successful entrepreneur. We never give importance to the successful businessman. We never give importance to the people who are artists or any creative idea just because they are not in a government service or not in a service. So the time has come, as a society, we should give importance to every job, to every service in our society. Service is very, very important, and no service is superior to the other. If we give importance to this, we will bring out many ideas, and all our children, all our young generation will not feel disheartened if they didn't get government job. So that's why we should not only give importance. And sometimes in the society as of now, we give importance, we thought that a person who is educated is the person who are fluent in English. He is more educated than me or anybody who is not fluent in English. When I first become a minister, there are so many people who comment that the Minister of Education is not knowing English, is not fluent in English. I told them, I'm not a Minister of English, I'm a Minister of Education. Sometimes, you see, we have to invent yourself. So you, as a young mind of today, you should think. Nothing is superior. You have to have confidence what is in you. Because that confidence in you will take you forward. Just a few moments back, the one who compared this program has already told that man is the master of his own destiny. You are the master of your own destiny. So invent yourself. Take out the wisdom which God has given to you. Combine with the knowledge which you get in school, so you'll be a successful one. Education in these last 25 years, we see so many changes. And we have seen that in the nation, so many changes has happened, especially for empowering of women. Just yesterday, Union Cabinet has cleared one amendment to the protection of child marriage, which they may introduce in the House, that the marriage age of the woman also will be 21 years. It has not yet become an act, but yesterday only the Union Government has cleared the bill to enact that marriage for women is also from 18 to 21. What is this? Because early marriage, it happened in the state of Meghalaya, we have a high maternal mortality rate, MMR. Why? The past study in the country is that early marriage is one of the factors which not only bring about the high MMR rate, but also the women could not explore more. Because by the time they are 18 years, many they got married. Which is the age? Just at the time they understand something. Which in these 3-4 years, they will explore more. Who knows, these 3 years, 4 years, they will shape into something which not only beneficial to them, but also to the society as a whole. And we have seen that even in the police department, we have reservation. Because every police station should have a woman police. We have a reservation for women. So all these things is how, because we recognize that nobody is superior, everybody is equal, and they should get equal opportunity. That's why since the beginning, I congratulate the KGP Synod, SY KGP Synod, and the KGP Synod certainly who have shepherded this college. You and others also sometimes bring out inferiority complex. We from the Nongkendang, who come from Nongkendang, we feel that we are, some inhibition is there. We thought that Kinongsor become shy, become star, become crowd. And here also, Nabon Women's Synod College kadang hangne. Kan pe sidang sate hangne tiyo tulot tang khendiat karuna. Anda pe sidang sate hang Synod College kitulot peu sha banangne. Tentang kinoikan ne kinslopo ayalade. Ngipas kaju ka post graduation, ngi yo ki doctorate, ngi clear kinet, Henry ke di se ke duna. Kami tentang lagi compare lah deh. Maka Synod College hante kan wanra ini. Kata energi yang ikan duna ban hikai dikena or energy level to teach the student will be filled up. There is some inhibition. Kami kecil compare tentang kawan rakyat kecil telak. Sometimes the student who study in suppose in Synod, the student from Nabon College so that they are in Synod. No, nobody is inferior, nobody is superior. Your work ethic, your discipline, your dedication, that is more important than anything. As a human being, we all aspire to be not only equal, to be higher than every. That aspiration should always be there. But if, as long as you cannot reach that level, it should not inhibit us to perform our duty. It should not inhibit us to dedicate our duty for the welfare of the student. So sometimes, as I said, that comparing me and you or somebody, we thought that something, this should not be there. You will never know. Your motto is learn on me, or learn of me. That is a very good motto. Learn on yourself, learn on our Creator. You will realize who are you with the blessing of our Creator.